Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to highlight text in Notion. To highlight text in Notion, these are the steps that you need to take. The first thing to do is to sign into your Notion by typing notion.so using any browser of your choice and signing in. Just follow through with the prompt and sign in. Once you sign in, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time in Notion. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to highlight text in Notion. The first thing to do is to open the page by navigating to the Notion page where you want to highlight the text. So check the left navigation panel. You'll see your existing pages. Now select the page and it's going to open up to the page that you want absolutely based on your preference. So now that we're here, go ahead and select the text. And how do you select the text? Click and drag your cursor to select the text you want to highlight. Now here is a text I want to highlight. There is God in them. And once you do that, a formatting toolbar, which we have right here, will appear above and or below the text. That's depending on your Notion's interface. All right, but mine's already appearing below. Now once you do that, let's go ahead and highlight it. So in the formatting toolbar, click on the highlight icon, which is represented by a circle text color. Now click on the drop down menu and choose a highlight color from the options provided. The selected text will now be highlighted in the chosen color. So let's say brown, let's say orange, let's say yellow, let's say green, let's say blue, let's say purple. Purple strikes me as cool. That has been highlighted. So to remove or change the highlight, go ahead and select the highlighted text again. And once you do that, open the formatting menu and either select a new highlight color or click on the highlight icon to remove the highlight. So select it and click on that. Just head over to default. Select it to default to change it, or you can just change on another color. And that's just going to be it. An alternative method is to use the markdown for quick highlighting. And how to use the markdown for quick highlighting. I'm just going to click on enter, like I want to enter a new text. And so if you prefer using markdown, you can use the equals syntax, all right, to quickly highlight the text. And how do you do that? Equals, and there is God in them. Check if this is gonna work, and equals. Okay, did that work? Oh, that didn't seem like it's gonna work, but you can go ahead and try it, right? If you try it in yours and that works, then good for you. But using the syntax is another way to actually make the text highlighted. All right, it could display the text as highlighted, but it's really not working for my system. But that's another hack to it. Now, by following the steps, you can effectively highlight text in Notion to emphasize important information. But I can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.